Okay, looking at number 26 in section 3.5, they want us to find the second derivative at 0 if the original function g of s is equal to e to the s over s plus 1. So we're going to have to use the quotient rule. Remember the quotient rule is low d high minus, let me write it. So it's low d high minus high d low over low squared. Okay, so the low is s plus 1. The derivative of e to the s, of course, is just e to the s, minus the high, which is e to the s. The derivative of the low, derivative of s plus 1, is just 1 all over low squared. So that's s plus 1 squared. So let's clean this up a little bit. That's just going to be e to the s parenthesis. We can factor that out. See, that's going to be s plus 1 minus 1. Do y'all see how nice that is? Because it's, or you could think of it this way, e to the s times s plus e to the s, but then minus the e to the s. So this is just cleans up to be just e to the s times s over s plus 1 squared. So this is e to the s times s over s plus 1 squared. That's our first derivative. Okay, now our second derivative is going to be, tricky because we're going to have both a product rule and a quotient rule in here, but we can handle it. So our second derivative, remember, it's low d high. Okay, so that's going to be s plus 1 squared. Now the derivative of the high, you have to use the product rule. So it's the first, which is e to the s, times the derivative of the second, which is just 1, plus the second, which is s, times the derivative of the first, which is just e to the s. Okay, and then, okay, so that's low d high minus high, which is e to the s times s d low. Well, you don't know how to take the derivative of this yet. So I think you're going to have to just, it is 2 times s plus 1 to the 1. As long as you have a linear function, that will be the derivative. And that's all over the denominator squared. Okay, so what do we have here? We have s plus 1 squared. We have e to the s plus s e to the s minus, let's see if we clean this up a little bit. I don't know, put the 2 in front, and then e to the s times s plus 1 all over all that. Well, okay, that's just a big mess, but you're asked to find that at 0. So g double prime at 0 just means put 0 in for s. So it's going to be 0 plus 1 squared times e to the 0 plus 0 times e to the 0 minus, that should be in parentheses like that, minus 2 e to the 0 times 0 plus, times 0 plus 1 all over 0 plus 1 squared. All right, well, let's see. This is just 1. And then this is 1 squared is 1. And this is 1 here. 1 times 1 is 1. Minus 0 over 1. So this is all of this was just 1. G double prime at 0 is equal to 1.